correct answer. Which of the following diseases would most likely not be associated with anemia? Anemia, manifestation, stage 1 B-cell lymphoma. The rest, bakit? Kasi lymphoma is in the peripheral tissues. And so, 33% of us got the correct answer. This type of autoimmune disease frequently associated with lymphoma affects which of the following functions or structures of the muscles, acetylcholine receptors. If I remember, myasthenia gravis is usually associated with type 1. So 22% of the class got the correct answer. Which of the following types of blood disorders is caused by hematopoietic stem cell abnormality, causing inability for maturation to take place for all bone marrow cells? The answer was aplastic anemia. Majority of the class got it correct. 34-year-old, 8-month pregnant woman is experiencing tachycardia, tachypnea, and easy fatigability. Easy fatigability is directly caused by which of the following: hypoxia to the skeletal muscles, since there is an increase in demand in the red blood cells. Which of the following is the mechanism of the appearance of the early sickle cell anemia? It's the polymerization of your protein genes. Gradual loss of cell membrane is seen in hereditary spherocytosis. Antibody coating, it's hemolysis, autoimmune hemolysis, or hemolytic anemia. Precipitation of excess gluten is seen in thalassemia. So 59% of the class got the correct answer. The peculiar lymphoma cells, as seen in the left image, so you already know that these are your RS cells, or your Hilsberg cells, originate most likely from which of the iosomes as seen in the right image. Because we know that this arises from your centroblast or your centrocyte, so it's in the germinal center, lung io. So a lot of you got the correct answer. The lytic bone lesions associated with multiple myeloma is primarily due to which of the following: stimulation of your osteoclastic ability by the tumor cells. So 31% got the correct answer. The usual clinical presentation of multiple myeloma is which of the following: bone pain. Kasi nga, diba, it's in the bone marrow, usually. So 50% got the correct answer. Which of the following are characteristic of your myelodysplastic syndrome, except associated with chronic myeloid leukemia? Paano hindi ako nagtanong yun? So 35% got the correct answer. The patient covered with partial hysterectomy for morbid obesity. Which of the following obesity disorders can develop after this procedure? Megaloblastic anemia because of your vitamin B12 deficiency. Diba? Remember that your intrinsic factor is synthesized in the gastric cells. The blast cells in chronic myeloid leukemia frequently differentiate into which of the following, in which of the red cells in the diagram as seen below. All of them are. Kasi chronic myeloid meaning that they are able to differentiate. So they will arise from, as long as galing sa myeloblast, it can arise, or it can differentiate into any of these lineages. So 31%. What is the most common? Pakita naman pa. The Philippines, iron deficiency. All of you got the correct answer. Which of the following diseases is associated with leukopenia? Primarily the CD4 positive white blood cells, which infects HIV, diba? It preferentially infects your CD4 positive. Kaya diba usually TB is associated with HIV because of the decrease in your T cell, specifically your CD4 positive T cells. Kaya wala siyang cell-mediated immune system. In this type of anemia, most of the destruction of the red blood cells occur usually in which of the following tissues or organ? The spleen, diba? That's why it actually leads to your autosplenic condition. So 81% of the class got the correct answer.
I see.
The skin image as seen below is from a patient who developed severe pneumonia during prolonged, so alam mo na, Prior to this death, he developed vascular malmesis and the triggering cause for the skin lesions is endothelial injury. Tumor growth is primarily driven by which of the following? Both. Diba? Activation of oncogenes and inactivation.
Ano kung natatandaan sa mga yan?
Majority of the vascular cancer. Severe liver disease may be associated with coagulation disorders because coagulation factors are synthesized in the liver. So 69% of the class got covered cancer. Which of the following types of anemia is associated with abnormal hemoglobin due to connotation in beta hemoglobin, sickle cell? Third progression in the pathogen the third progression in the pathogenesis of a tumor refers to which of the following? So the expansion of genetically altered cells, 20%. Diba? So kung meron kayong i-contest dito, you bring it up with Dr. De La Fuente with your reference. This type of anemia is seen in the rich below, most likely be associated with the history of which of the following. All of the above, diba? Diba multifactorial naman or multiple causes yung pwedeng mag-lead to your aplastic anemia. Radiation, chemical toxins, and chemotherapy. So all of the above is very cancer. 81% of the classical very cancer. The immunohistochemistry used to identify and classify lymphoid differentiation as seen in the image below is a molecular expression of which of the following. All of the above. So majority got the correct answer. I think parang lecture ng Dr. De La Fuente as an additional, diba? After the SGP attack. The image below is that of the malignant lymphoma involving cervical lymph node in a 12-year-old child. Based solely on the image, which of the following is or are morphologic evidence of malignancy, all of the above. Hyperdivision of lymphocytes, deterioration of the normal structure, so hindi mo na differentiate from cortex, focus, or medulla, invasion into the adjacent adipose tissue. Which of the following types of anemia is associated with RBC membrane protein defect? It's phagocytosis, diba? Naalala niyo yung graph. So, majority got the correct answer. Kaya nagkakaroon ng volume loss because of the instability in the membrane. The neoplastic cells associated with thymomas are derived from which of the following? Epithelial cells. Diba? CEC, tiny epithelial cells. So, only 13% got the correct answer. Which of the following conditions is dangerous in utero due to the possibility of generalized hypoxia secondary to exponential increase in oxygen affinity of the fetal hemoglobin is alpha thalassemia. Kasi predominant will be your gamma globins, which has a very high affinity. Hindi yan na-let go yung oxygen, therefore, there will be generalized hypoxia. So a lot of you got the correct answer. Code the protein building blocks, which are the body, IgM. Majority got the correct answer. Personalized and targeted cancer chemotherapy involves which of the following, except restoring mutated genes to normal. So, that's 61. Kasi targeted genes usually they use monoclonal antibodies that target specifically mutated protein. So, targeted then minimizing damage to healthy cells, and then determination of mutation that drives the tumor growth like EGFR and your tamoxifen for your ER and VR receptor. So, ito yung second, ito yung exception. Significant anemia is often associated with shortness of breath. The main purpose of this physiological response is to increase which of the following? Ventilation. So only 28% got the correct answer. Which of the following types of anemia is associated with the destruction of RBCs in the spleen? Actually, all of the above. But even spherocytosis, we discussed na matatap siya because of its decreased flexibility. Based on the image below, which is surely that of an acute myeloid, Actually, both. Hindi ka lang, sige. Kukorek ko natin.
Boom. Sasagot ko pala ulit.
Both natin.
Bonus. Bonus. Bonus item.
Bonus. A bone marrow seen in the image below is that of a 12-year-old child, severely anemic and diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia, which of the following based on the image explains the anemia. Myeloid blast cells do not differentiate, erythroid cells destroy, treat proliferating lymphoblasts, so all of the above. A 56-year-old female is diagnosed with chronic kidney disease, caused by diabetes mellitus. Hemoglobin was 5 grams over deciliter. The most likely mechanism is loss of interstitial fibroblast cells. So, kasi chronic kidney disease, so it's not producing enough erythropoietin. Which of the following RBC disorders are associated with hydrocephalus thalassemia? Diba? Specifically your alpha thalassemia. Same reason as the earlier question. Which of the following types of anemia is associated with impaired DNA synthesis malaric acid? Because of iron deficiency. Malignant cells as exemplified by the B large cell lymphoma as seen in the image below are usually large with a little amount of cytoplasm and prominent nucleoli. These morphologic features basically are expressions of which of the following molecular evidence. So, all of the above. Which of the following types of anemia will subsequently be associated with iron pigment deposition in the liver, spleen, spherocytosis? The cell of origin of multiple myeloma is from which of the following WBC? Bone marrow lymphocytes. Kasi these are your plasma cells. The image seen below is from the cervical lymph node from an 18-year-old male diagnosed to have HIV infection. We show you the image with the following cells are predominantly proliferating. The answer is B lymphocytes. Kasi you have a lot of future lymphocytes. In the same image, the area indicated by the arrow is called which of the following zone? Marginal. And then which of the following occurs in the arrow zone in the above image is for the proceeding over maturation of these cells. A 40-year-old male presented with jaundice in left upper quadrant abdominal discomfort. Physical examination showed hysterics, flaring, field of growth and contemplates pain level. CBC showed increased RBC count with increased reticulocytes, normal WBC and liver count. The referred blood mirrors showed microcytic hyperchromic erythrocytes with round shape. What is the most likely cause of the patient's condition? Mutation in protein that stabilizes the cell membrane, so this is most likely hereditary spherocytosis. The pathogenesis is increases structure of erythrocytes in the spleen. And if a spleen biopsy was done, what do you expect to see? Congestion. Kasi all of those non-conformant RBCs will get trapped in the sinusoids. A 23-year-old female underwent a pre-employment physical examination. An incidental finding in the peripheral blood smear demonstrated elongated curved erythrocytes, so this is most likely your sickle cell. So number 43, what is the most likely cause of the patient's condition? Point mutation. Weird, diba? Sa sickle cell. The occurrence of this condition most likely evolved from the interaction of the RBC to which environmental factor? Hyperprevalence of intracellular RBC parasite. Diba? Remember, most of your red blood cell deformities are defense mechanism actually from intracellular parasites. If you're the physician, how will you advise the patient? Watch out for vaso-occlusive complications such as stroke, kasi diba yun yung complication ng sickle cell disease. A 56-year-old female with breast cancer on her 8th cycle of cytotoxic chemotherapy suddenly developed multiple bruises with no history of trauma. Hemoglobin was low, WBC was markedly low, or markedly decreased, and platelet count was 10,000, so low then. If a bone marrow biopsy is done, which of the following will be the following findings? Aplastic anemia, so hypocellular bone marrow with lineage maturation kasi hindi naman neoplastic yung bone marrow. One of the challenges encountered with doing the biopsy for this condition is which of the following? Dry tap, kasi wala kang cells. If you were that, mostly adipose tissue na lang. If you were that physician, what is the best course of action to prevent this adverse event? You stimulate, diba? The production of your bone marrow cells. Which of the following lesions associated with acute rheumatic fever is the most likely cause of arrhythmia that may be present clinically? Which of the following adaptive response of a cell requires the expression of genetic sequence causing the cells to differentiate into a different phenotype? It's an adaptation. So I'll have to give out the correct answer. So basic pathos siya. Which type of leukemia has a high cure rate and relatively outright characteristics? Cells of the peripheral circulation allowed immediate treatment after routine CBC peripheral blood smear, acute myelocytic leukemia, Guillain-Barré. So, pagka immediately nakita sa peripheral blood smear, you have to tell the physician para mabigay tayo yung treatment. Myelodysplastic syndrome is a common WBC disorder in which of the following age group?
Elderly.
Abnormal accumulation of reticular fibers is seen in which type of myeloproliferative neoplasm? Primary myelofibrosis. The neoplastic cells in Hodgkin lymphoma originate from which region? Ayan. So, journal center. Kasi diba, it arises from your centroblasts. The most common extranodal clinical presentation of Burkitt lymphoma is in which of the following? Mandible. So usually it's in the head and neck region, yung presentation of Burkitt lymphoma. Which of the following is the most common inherited bleeding disorder? About 1% of adult affected platelet function. It's one very rare disease. Paano hindi yata question? Baka Dr. Nogaling. When examining a lymphoid tissue, the best evidence that you are dealing with a malignancy is which of the following? Loss of architecture. Which of the following is the most likely to show leukemias people who present clinically with bleeding tendencies, depression of megakaryocytes differentiating in the bone marrow? So wala ka na platelets. Clinical staging or the Ann Arbor classification is highly predictive only in which of the following types of lymphoma? Hodgkin lymphoma. We mentioned that Hodgkin is the only type of lymphoma na nag-spread from the primary tumor. The rest, it can spontaneously arise in any of the lymphoid tissue. Which of the following mechanism causes the lytic bone lesions in multiple myeloma? Osteoclasts are activated by your plasma cells. Which of the following disorders would eventually cause chronic obstructive lung disease during the course of the above disease? So in multiple myeloma. So none of them. Which of the following blood disorders is associated with endothelial injury, except Papon syndrome? Dr. Murphy has one question. The congenital heart disease with the left to right shunt exemplified by ESD eventually leads to a reversal of the shunt followed by hypertension. The progressive change in arteriosis is initiated by which of the following increased blood flow and hydrostatic pressure. In chronic myeloid leukemia, increased proliferation and survivability of the neoplastic myeloid cells are brought about by which of the mutation? Translocation, diba? Your BCR-GBL. Which of the following cells in the peripheral blood indicates an acute type of leukemia? Of course, it's your immature blast cells. In hemophilia A, if recombinant factor 8 is not available, the next best course of treatment is which of the following: your fresh frozen plasma transfusion. Pwede rin whole blood, pero mas prefer pa rin kasi less yung WBCs here. Platelet concentrate and proper blood cells will do nothing kasi you need the coagulation factor and wala dun sa dalawa yun. Hodgkin lymphoma is frequently associated with which of the following types of infection: Epstein-Barr virus. A bone marrow biopsy shows a markedly hypocellular marrow devoid of hematopoietic cells, mostly are remaining fat cells. Fibrosarcoma and scattered lymphocytes and plasma cells is most consistent with which of the following plastic anemia. So basically, dinescribe nila yung picture above sa previous number. Polycythemia vera originating from which of the following bone marrow cells? Myeloid. Which of the following during the course of heart disease eventually may involve the cardiac valves, except pulmonary hypertension? What is the most common cause of primary polycythemia? It's polycythemia vera. In the etiopathogenesis of chronic obstructive lung disease, which of the following is usually not involved? Type 4 hypersensitivity reaction. Leukemic infiltration of the kidney, including the glomeruli, will manifest with elevated serum creatinine, which of the following physiologies directly affected glomerular blood flow. Hemosiderosis that occurs as a consequence of hereditary spherocytosis is classified as which of the following? Secondary, because yung primary would be sa iron metabolism. So secondary because of the destruction of your red blood cells. Leukemia frequently present clinically with anemia during the course of the disease. Which of the following is the most likely reason? The depression of bone marrow, RBC production by the tumor cells, or the leukemic cells. A significant case or significant cases of lymphomas and leukemias are associated with a viral infection. Reason for this malignant transformation is which of the following? So all of them are. Basically, the virus will lead, the insertion of the viral genetic material will lead to mutation. Hemophilia A is associated with which of the following? Factor 8. So all of you got the correct answer. A patient presented with excessive bleeding when injured. Laboratory test showed low normal platelet count and mild liberal PD-50. Aggregation studies is shown in the image below. What is the most likely etiopathogenesis of the patient's condition? So we know that this is a platelet aggregation study which assess or evaluate the function of your platelet. So it's platelet dysfunction. A 67-year-old male undergoing chemotherapy will most likely develop which WBC disorder is myelodysplastic syndrome. So usually they arise from a previous chemotherapy. The concept of tissue infarct and its aftermath involves which of the following except tissue regeneration. So all of this will occur after an infarct. A 3-year-old female was brought to a pediatrician for cough and colds of 5 days duration. This was accompanied by high-grade fever. On physical examination, it was noted that there is a palpable lymph node on the right posterior neck area which is tender and movable. What is will be the next best step in the patient's examination? So we know that this is an acute lymphadenitis secondary to a probable infection. So you give your empirical antibiotics because the lymphadenopathy is most likely secondary to the bacteria. And then once your culture comes out, then you give your specific antimicrobials. A 5-year-old child presents with anemia and echinosis. The diagnosis of leukemia is made after blood and bone marrow examination. Which of the images of blood smears as seen below is most likely the smear of the case. So it's the plastic one.
Grabe, hindi ko na alam.
Bakit dito sa gas hindi? Kasi meron kang mature. Diba?
May mature.
Yeah, those mature.
Ano tawag doon? Pag gano'n.
Which of the following is not a necessary component of chronic granulomatous inflammation as typically seen in tuberculosis, caseous necrosis. So all of these will be seen in the granulomatous inflammation except caseous necrosis. So pwedeng wala yung necrosis. In the emergency room, a 17-year-old male with right lower quadrant abdominal arrived for consult and physical examination. Patient was positive for Roxin sign and obturator sign. Rebound tenderness was also noted on the right lower quadrant. So hopefully all of you are familiar with all of these physical examinations. CBC revealed normal hemoglobin, hematocrit, and platelet count, but mildly low WBC count with neutrophilic predominant. If you are attending surgery, what will be your next course of action? You still proceed with your emergency appendectomy because the decrease in the WBC might be the migration of the peripheral WBC to the site of inflammation. TRAMPARS for protein associated with myeloma kidney causes renal dysfunction for which of the following mechanism: the tubular obstruction due to the fast formation with these proteins.
Ayan,
What is the most common type of leukemia in children? ALL.
Acute lang
So,
po.
a lot of you got the correct answer.
Ay, ganon.
In dengue hemorrhagic fever, the development of bleeding is mainly due to which of the following: platelet deficiency. Diba? That's why, I'm not sure kung nag-discuss sa media, usually twice a day ka magpapa-platelet count, to monitor if it's decreasing. Active tuberculosis infection is always associated with necrosis. Necrosis indicates which of the following: presence of the bacilli, dying macrophages and bacilli, immune system is activated or level. So magkaiba yan tuberculosis infection, kanina chronic granulomatous inflammation na. So the chronic granulation inflammation, hindi siya exclusive sa tuberculosis. It can be seen in fungal infection, anything that your immune system cannot get rid of. The neoplastic cells of Burkitt lymphoma originate from each of the following types of immune cells: B lymphocytes. Which of the following types of leukemia tends to infiltrate the liver and cause liver dysfunction? It's all of the above. The main difference between a hyperplastic follicle from a follicular lymphoma is which of the following: increased survivability of your follicular cells in follicular lymphoma. That's why it's BCL2 positive, kahit sa terminal centers. Supposedly negative siya. So increasing survivability. Which of the following leukocytes is mainly affected by human immunodeficiency virus? It's again, diba? Umuulit lang yung question so dapat bonus na actually dapat to, diba? The majority of you got the answer correct. The condition above number predisposes patient to which of the following prevailing infections: the Philippines, tuberculosis.
Ayun din.
Kasi it's the one that is cell-mediated inflammation. Massive adrenal hemorrhage caused by disseminated intravascular coagulation and common in immunococemia is called which of the following syndrome? Water half-rejection. In the above syndrome, the massive hemorrhage is triggered by which of the following: formation of fibrin thrombi. A 50-year-old woman complains of backbone pain. X-rays of the spine and skull disclose the lesions. But the electrophoresis discloses the presence of IgG monoclonal protein. Which of the following bone marrow images as seen below is more consistent with the clinical history? So based on the history, it's more of plasma cell myeloma or multiple myeloma, therefore it's more of the left image kasi you see the perinuclear halo.
Na-record yun.
Monoclonal proteins referred in the above case refer to which of the following: abnormal antibodies
Right.
with the same.
Alright,
Light
ito.
and heavy chain structure because it's monoclonal. Okay, so yun. So isa lang yung possible